Oreo shake recipe. 2 cups of vanilla ice cream, 1 cup of milk, 6 to 8 Oreo cookies. Or more, depending on your preference, whipped cream optional. For topping, crushed Oreo cookies optional. For garnish. 1. Prepare your blender. Ensure your blender is clean and ready for use. 2. Crush Oreo cookies. Place the Oreo cookies in a resealable plastic bag and crush them into small pieces using a rolling pin or the back of a spoon. 3. Combine ingredients in the blender. Add the vanilla ice cream, milk, and the crushed Oreo cookies. 4. Blend. Start blending at a low speed. To combine the ingredients, gradually increase the speed to high and blend until the mixture is smooth and the Oreo cookies are fully incorporated. 5. Check consistency. Pause and check the consistency. If it's too thick, you can add a bit more milk and blend again for a thinner shake. 6. Garnish optional. Pour the Oreo shake into a tall glass. Top your Oreo shake with whipped cream and a sprinkle of crushed Oreo cookies for extra indulgence. 7. Enjoy. Insert a straw and savor your homemade Oreo shake. This Oreo shake is a delightful treat. Perfect for Oreo cookie lovers. Adjust the amount of Oreo cookies and milk to suit your desired level of cookies and creaminess.